Ramp up your cleaning with these smart microfiber products. Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. If you're tired of spending a lot of time scrubbing and wiping without any results, then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be sharing smart cleaning tips that will make your life easier with these amazing microfiber products. Let's get started. From cleaning glass windows to keeping your kitchen spotless, we're going to be showing you how these simple yet powerful tools are going to up your cleaning process, making it faster, efficient, and effective. First up, let's talk about something that we all struggle with: cleaning glass surfaces. Whether it's windows, mirrors, or glass tables, streaks can be an absolute nightmare. That's why these glass weave microfiber towels are an absolute game changer. The weave pattern is specifically designed to trap dirt and dust, leaving your glass sparkling without any streaks. And the best part? No need for glass cleaner, just water. It's that easy. Look at that shine, crystal clear. Next up, we have the Waffle Weave kitchen and dish towels. These are perfect for drying dishes, wiping down counters, or cleaning up spills. The texture of these towels are super absorbent, meaning you're going to spend less time wiping and more time in your clean space. The Waffle Weave pattern helps them dry faster too, so no more smelly, damp towels. The dish towels are smaller with the size of 13 inches by 13 inches, and the kitchen towels are bigger with the size of 16 inches by 28 inches. But both come in a pack of 10, with an assortment of 5 earthy colors that suit the aesthetic of any kitchen. If you're like me and use your phone, tablet, or computer a lot, then you need these lens and screen cleaner micro pads. These micro pads are perfect for cleaning all your screens without leaving behind lint or streaks. Plus, they come in a handy, durable storage case. Alright, now it's time to talk about Suede microfiber towels. These are especially great for cleaning delicate surfaces like electronics, jewelry, or even your car's interior. The soft texture of these towels ensures you won't scratch or damage sensitive surfaces while still effectively picking up dust and grime. Next up, let's talk about the Terry wash mitts. These are perfect for wiping down counters, cleaning windows, or even washing your car. The Terry microfiber material is super soft, and the mitt allows you to clean large surfaces quickly while protecting your hands from dirt and grime. For tough, greasy dishes, this 12-layer rainbow sponge is the tool that you need. With its layered design, this sponge is both absorbent and tough on dirt without scratching your pots and pans. And once the top layer is soiled, you can peel it off to reveal a fresh one to work with. And last but not least, this 2-in-1 wash and scour sponge. It's got one side for scrubbing tough messes and another soft side for general cleaning. This sponge is perfect for everything from cleaning your kitchen counters to scrubbing your bathroom tiles. It's like having two tools in one, saving you time and effort. To sum it all up, microfiber cleaning products are a smart and eco-friendly way to tackle your cleaning process. Whether you're cleaning dishes, countertops, bathrooms, or screens, these tools get the job done faster. Plus, they're reusable, saving you money in the long run. If you're interested in these products, be sure to check out the description below. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our social media. I'll see you on the next Microfiber Monday. Bye.